Hey, this is Thomas Talon with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you this 2020 Bennington Model 21SLX in metallic silver. You'll notice this pontoon has 25-inch tunes, lifting straights going down both sides of the full tune here. Look at them on the inside as well. The boat is equipped with docking lights and nav lights up front. Walking forward, you'll see two nice loungers up front. Plenty of storage underneath all the seats. You have an L-shaped chase lounge in the back. A nice storage compartment back here. Battery will be housed right there. Nice center table. Looking forwards at the dash. You'll see a kicker stereo with a Garmin Striker 4 unit. This boat has a 10-foot bimini top with a full mooring cover to match the color of your bimini. And this boat will be powered with the Yamaha 115 4-stroke. Not on the boat yet, with a ski tow boat. For more information, please visit us at the Greenville, South Carolina store. Or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.